Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the panda from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute panda, we're going to first start by drawing a curve for the eye area. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve going up. And this curve is basically this the top of the snout, the nose area, kind of like an oval. So just remember that. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a big curve top and come back down. Okay, so we have this one in. Now we're just, like I said, we're going to imagine this as a curve that goes around. So give it a little bit space, and about right here I'm going to start the other curve. So it's just going to come straight down, curve down and around. So it's just continuing this kind of oval shape right here. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead once again, just like the other side, the same height, and connect it with a curve. And this side's going to be a bit wider and connect. So that's the first two shapes we're trying to get right here. Then from there, let's come inside and we're going to draw a circle. So come right here on the edge. I'm just going to make my circle pretty big. And I'm going to give it a little highlight right about here and shade everything else in. And then when you're coloring it, you can just color this part like a dark gray so that you can still see this eye right here. So same thing right here, but in this area. Just draw a circle. And same thing, give it a little highlight and shade it all in. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to put a little nose about in this area. So once again, like I said, just imagine this is at an oval. So the nose would be about right here. And I'm just going to come in here with a soft curve, round off the tip, and connect it at the bottom. And once again, I'll just give it a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. So then now that we have that done, let's come and draw the face all around it. So let's come to where the eye is right here. Come out a little bit, and about right here, I'm going to start a curve. It's going to kind of follow the eye. And let's see here, I'm going to come to the other side. So using your eye, nice and wide. So just kind of imagine this big curve. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to start. And I'll go ahead and connect it. There, so we got a big panda head in. So let's continue this up for the top. And as I get to about this area, I'm going to stop because I have this ear I need to pop in. But if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this curve first. So I'm just going to come right here and pop out one ear, one big curve, come right back down and connect. Now we're going to draw the inside. So just follow your outside. And just finish the curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So it's going to be about right here. So go ahead and just draw another big curve. And the inside. There. Okay, so cute, right? And it'll all look come together once you color this part in here on a dark gray. Now let's draw the body. So about right here, we're going to start. And I'm going to draw a nice soft curve for the belly area. Make our panda nice and round. And let's come back over here. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and just create this shape right here for the body. But I need to pop in a hand right here. So I'm going to stop and just draw a curve right here. And I'm going to bring this out. Bring this down and come out. So this is pretty much parallel, and then we're just going to go ahead about right here, go ahead and connect it. For the arm. And we're just going to imagine this coming through, so about right here. And then let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Now for the other arm, let's come to the other side. Go right here. And just try to make it about the same length, so, and same width. All right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and add a soft curve to finish it off. Now to draw the feet. Love these cute little gumdrop feet for these Roblox Adopt Me pets. So right under here, let's start with the first one. Right underneath. Just draw a curve and connect. And one more right next to it. And that is pretty much it, except of course I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my panda, my trusted cute panda from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So there, I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and that you'll give this a try as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.